today's video is our second day at La Veranda Beach Resort. Okay, after our breakfast, because we're taking our breakfast for today. So after that, we're going to proceed or immediately going to Alona for Victoria's.
Okay.
Okay. So join us for this journey, Bohol Escapade. Let's eat na din sa itong breakfast. Init pa bang kain? Just send over 30 seconds. Hi guys! We're on the way to Alona Beach Resort for our breakfast.
For second day adventure.
For second day adventure. Okay, so welcome to Barangay Bohol. So right now,
We're riding to the central highway of Panglao.
yeah, Panglao.
Panglao. So we're headed to Alona Beach Resort. Our first destination of our second day tour activity in Bohol. So mo ni siya, nag-drive no? So, naning pa siya nag-drive sa karon. So, paano mga adrenaline is restored, rejuvenate. Na-rejuve na mo ang mga adrenaline. Okay. Nakatog na miktarong for 24 hours.
Yes.
And enough sleep na mi.
Wala mi na ilugan ng bed.
So wala mi na ilugan og bed. Wala mi nagtikongkong, dili init. So hamo gaway ra ang among pagkatulog.
So mo ni mo na-experience sa barko, Miss Yudelin?
Among na-experience din taon, mura na baw kami sa hospital nga tagduhaw sa usa ka bed.
Kung saan tayo gisakyan na itong barko nga may klaro?
I cannot disclose furthermore.
Let's close.
Basta common na siya nga barko nga moabot dito sa Tagbilaran.
Okay, may lain yung kasagaran.
So kamo na lay bahala kung sa inyo i-mention na name. But for now, I cannot disclose further detail.
Yeah, true lala.
Okay?
Okay?
Sumaw ni ang probensya sa Bohol. So, mabisita mi sa pinaka-busy nga munisipyo sa Bohol,
Which is?
ang Panglao. So, mani siyang naguna na mo, no? So, I feel mga to sa ni silag Panglao. So, maghimamat ni sa mga katauhan sa Panglao kung unsa ni nahitabo dito. Okay?
Adventure na to, Dad.
Ayun na. Diba?
Yes. For today's video is we are now here already at Alona Beach Resort here in Panglao. So right now, our activity for today is to have a pictorials at the same time for the shoot. Ang oram siguro na ay photoshoot pictorials. The first step for today is Alona lang muna. So karon kay mag-pictorials naman. So join us! Did you know that the beach called Alona is called Alona, which is amusingly, its name is derived from a local artist named Alona Aligre, who shot a film at the beach during the 70s when the beach was still vacant and was so beloved from the locals for her politeness that they named the beach after her. Alona Beach Resort is a popular public beach located at the southwest tip of Panglao Island, Bohol, in the Philippines. It is known for its white sand, rocky cliffs, and commercial facilities. The 1 kilometer stretch of the beach.
Yes, today, yes, we are here at the Alona Beach Resort. As you can see, there are a few people around because it's so early in the morning. And you know what? If you are here to explore the island of Panglao Island, great beach, white beach.
Ito ko padali ako.
So you have to experience. This is what you can offer in our country, the beach resort, the hospitality of the Filipino. Okay. So stick
Okay, ato ng bukit kayo.
So stick around guys, itong bukit-kion ang white sands sa Panglao. Okay? And shout out to all my subscribers. Okay guys? We are now at the Henan Resort. See guys? It's crowded. Crowded. So you have to spend time if you are planning to have a vacation. Just go to Henan Beach Resort. It's beautiful. Yeah? So it's a different experience to visit here in the island of Panglao, the Alona Beach Resort. Guys, join me us and explore this island.
Mga kay Ronish Nguyen behind the scenes. Hala!
Yes, we're here at one of the beach of Alona, Panglao Beach. There's a South Pump. South Pump. Yes.
Yes. So layo-layo din siya guys. So I guess it's almost 500 plus meters away from the gate of South Palm. So wagi pa mo all their very rough road going to the Hidden Paradise Resort of South Palm. So muna na siya. So I believe welcome to our very own resort. So this is formulated from us. So Asani. So I guess here na siya. This is the parking area of South Palm. May tagi siya.
Lagi harap kita. Harap.
Sa Trinidad and Benguet.
So this is the reception area. So what can you say about the pizza and the shake? Beauty Queen, Miss Baguio. Kasi Miss Baguio ninyo do ha?
Ay, kisa rin yung ganda. Kisa rin yung ganda.
Sige na deka.
Hindi na yung trademark ng barbecue. Ano itong doon? Ang trademark.
Pero guys,
Ano ang doon?
so guys, what can you say about it? Gusto man mag-react ka sa Miss Universe? Would you like to react? So, kasi tignan nga din.
Let's eat muna.
Sa magbuwa at buwa experience man.
Susuko kay Kad. Ano ka na-bake yun? Binangpan. Ha? Bakit? Padat sila. Kaya ako mag-grito ang alam.
Pwede pa kami sa burger. Namatay. Pwede pa din ko talaga. Ini pinapit sa pwede harap sa kita ko.
Kan gamit yung cheese din, parmesan.
Sige, magagawa.
Kami na. Bili siya ka ng hindi lagi tipid ang ham of mushroom. Ako din mga bayo. Inot ang galing. Matagalog ba sila? Matagalog ba? Matagalog ba?
Magdagay ko mga may giko ang tanig wala man tanaw
Let's get back to them.
mga negative things
Dili, oy, sa kanya to negative side, pero sa positive side, they're looking at the beautiful and the better. Diba? Tungkol lang sa ito, nakadaiyang mga highlighter din. Diba, oh?
And that's actually the best offer that we can give to this resort.
So thank you so much for showing me and sponsoring us. I would like also to try us out on beach.
Kasi sorry, di ba? Kasi akong ex. Wow, ex na din. Nag-click ko siya.
Hindi pa dito na yung may prices na may ako isa to.
Hindi ka worth it.
Photo instance man yun.
What we do here is go back.
Kami na siya. Siniud ko ba dito?
Muna niya. Hindi pa ko dito.
Very guwap. Kaya itong tayo mapag-apod mo na kaya mga hindi ang biyahe. Sabi sila naman. Mag-video-video ka kanito yung mga yan.